What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Triple C's. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on the notifications for me, all right? All right, look, guys, we got to talk about Walmart. Okay, guys, Walmart is knocking it out of the park. Okay, at the time of making this video, guys, Walmart is sitting at around 103. Okay, if you go back a couple of months ago, guys, I made a video about Walmart. I made a lot of videos about Walmart, guys. One of our favorite stocks, is one of our long-term investments as well. But the last video I made, I told you guys where this was going. I told you it was going to at least 105. Okay, and that this is the importance, guys, when I tell you guys to always take your options contracts at least like 3 months out, okay? Because you want to give it time to develop, okay? So at the time I made that video, it was at around $97. I said, I like it at this price. Guys, I'm going to get it here, and we're going to ride it up to 105, okay? And today, you can see we knocked it out of the park. Now, as you can see right here, gang, we're up $175 so far today, okay? So this play is still it's still live, it's still going right now, okay? We have not sold this contract, okay? But what we did was we went in and set a stop loss, okay? So we have our stop loss set at a certain amount. So if it comes down to that amount, it'll sell us out, but we will still be in profit, okay? So if you take a look, guys, this doesn't expire until September 19th, 2025, okay? And we got in it over a month ago, all right? So that's why I tell you guys, get these contracts 2 to 3 months out, all right? So you want to give your play time to develop. So you see our average cost was $60. And now the price is $119. It says $1.19, but that really means $119. So we got 3 contracts, and now they're each worth $119, and we paid $60 each for them. Okay, so that's how that works. Okay, and I'm going to show you how I did the stop loss, so you can protect your earnings, guys. All right, so that's the name of the game. You want to minimize your losses and maximize your profits. Okay, so if you take a look here. So the current price, like I said, is $119, but the time I made this little recording for you guys, it was at $95. Okay, so check this out. All right, so we're gonna set our stop loss. We're gonna go in. We're gonna select on the conditional orders. We're gonna set stop. It's under stop limit. We're gonna click stop. Okay. This is gonna do a market order. So the current price is 95. So we're gonna set our stop loss at around 85. Okay, so if it comes down to 85, then it's going to sell us out at 85. Okay, and remember, we bought it at 60, so that's still $25 per contract. All right, and then we're going to set it timing for us GTC. That's good until canceled. Okay, so that way, if it goes into tomorrow to next week, it doesn't cancel unless we cancel it. Okay, or unless it comes down to 85. Okay, then you click sell, guys. Okay, because we already have the contract. So you click sell. Okay, it's not going to sell it until it comes down to the 85, and then you confirm it. Boom, bam, boom, and we are done. Okay, so that's how you protect your losses with a stop loss. Okay, and you protect your wins as well. All right. Now, like I said, guys, that play is still going. Okay, so we have our stop loss in place, but since it's not a trailing stop loss, and I'm doing it manually, if the price keeps going up, what I want to do is, and it actually did. I told you now it's at 119. I'm going to go in. I'm going to change, because you can always go back in and you can update your stop loss. Okay, if it hasn't hit your target yet, or if it hasn't come down to your stop loss yet. I mean, okay. So instead of 85, now I'm going to raise it up to 100. Okay, so I can lock in those profits. All right. So you can always go back in and edit if the price keeps going up. You want to raise your stop loss to match that. Okay, so you can lock in all those profits along the way. All right, so keep your eyes on Walmart, guys. They do have earnings coming up August 21st. Okay, so we're going to see how that goes. All right, but I do want to get to some more stocks. Okay. All right, now this next stock, guys, that I want you guys to keep your eyes on is Alphabet stock. Okay, so we do a lot of videos on Alphabet stock on this channel. Okay, this is one of our long-term investments as well. Okay, but I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on this. Okay, so currently the price of Alphabet stock is $196, guys, and our target price for Alphabet stock, our next target is around $203. Okay, that's where we see this going next. All right, but keep in mind, guys, we are in August and September, so you're gonna see a lot of ups and downs. Okay, but I do believe it's going to hit 203 before it comes back down again. All right. If you want to know a more detailed breakdown, guys, you can go watch the previous video I did about this. All right. But as you can see, we hopped in on the options contract, guys. It doesn't expire until October 17, 2025. Okay. With a strike price of 230. Okay. Now for you guys, I don't want you to get a strike price that high. Okay. Because I actually didn't mean to do that. I want you guys to get it at around 203. Okay, make sure your strike price is around 203, because that's where we believe this is going next. All right, by October. All right, now, guys, if you want to know what app we are using to do our trades, guys, we are using the Moo investment app. I'll have the link down in the description for you guys. All right. If you use my link to sign up, guys, you get up to $1,000 in free stocks plus 8.1% on your uninvested cash. All right. Now, if you want to learn how we are trading these stock options, guys, then go over to the website crazycryptocliff.com, become a member, guys, and you can take the training classes and learn step by step how to trade stock options. All right. But that is all I have for you guys in this video. I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined, gang, and let's get this money.